Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy FX coming at you with another video. This video is especially important to me because these are the key steps that I wish I took before even thinking about going into the Forex market. So let's go ahead and get this video started. Step number one is going to have an emergency savings. 60% of Americans don't even have $1,000 in their bank account. So what makes them think that they're going to be able to handle putting money in the markets if they can't take care of their emergency expenses? I'm talking cars breaking down, medical expenses, your phone gets lost, stuff like that. So you're going to have between 1,000 to 2,000, 2,000 being on the high end. That way you're able to cover most of those expenses. And then 1,000 in case 2,000 is going to take you a little too long to save up. Step number two, remove all debt that you have besides your mortgage. And the reason being is because your mortgage is typically the highest and the lowest interest rate thing that you need to pay off. So after that, student loans, credit cards, car payment, all that's fair game. You need to get rid of it. It's siphoning money from your budget and your wallet that you could be investing in either yourself, knowledge, courses, signals, whatever, right? And it's also removing potential money you can be putting into the markets, which is very important because if you want your account to grow, you got to have skin in the game. You got to put money in the market in order to grow money in there. All right, I know what you're thinking. Why remove debt when you're trying to use Forex to pay off your debt, right? If you make a 14% return on your investment in a year, but your credit card is actually 18%, then all you've done was pay 4% on your credit card instead of putting that money towards that credit card and eventually getting ready to pay it off. After you pay off your credit card, student loans, your car, whatever, use that money that you've been putting towards those monthly payments to fund your Forex account. It's better to use guaranteed money to pay off your debt than to lose it and wish you did it anyway. Make a budget. A budget will tell you where your money is going. I'm talking in and out. This way you never get caught in the red thinking that you have money to put in the markets when you don't. And now you can't pay off that Rolls Royce with 25% interest. If you're married, be sure your spouse or significant other is on board with it. This is majorly important because the number one factor in divorce is finances. If you two or more aren't seeing eye to eye with this can affect your trading drastically. Set goals and be realistic. Goals are important because it gives you a sense of direction. Financial freedom and stuff is cool and all, but what does that look like for you? Is it like 1K a month? Is it 2K a month? Is it 10K a month? Depending on where you live and the lifestyle that you want to have is going to be able to help you determine the amount that you need to make in order for you to have this lifestyle that you're looking for. If you don't know how much you need to make or what you're looking to make, you won't be able to take the proper steps to reach that goal anyway. The biggest advice I can have for you guys is to have a wealth building mindset. Forex is an amazing way to generate income, but if you're trying to build your account too quickly, you're going to end up crashing and burning. Rome wasn't built in a day, and your account is the first brick of this empire. The long game is the tried and true way to building wealth, as it teaches capital preservation and good money management. Alright guys, I got a million of these, but I can't bore you to death, so go ahead and comment down below if you got any advice that you believe that I missed out on, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, peace.